jungle justice for the man that kill little girl. And for all the other men that kill off women and children, we say jungle justice for them. No must go in a prison, go near taxpayer money. We want to deal with them harsh.
Who does this? Who kills and slash the throat of an 8-year-old? She even look like 5. She even smaller than her. You know, she really 8. Market 8 is a baby. This is my country. I'm not forced out of it. You degenerates, you low-life piece of dump. You know, it's coward. Come forth to us. At least take on people who can take on. 8 years old is a baby. It's not right. We're supporting her. She's not gone in vain. And we're trying to hope that it doesn't happen to another child. We're trying to send the message so we're each one brother's keeper.
The violence, none of it not tolerable. Not even one fitness should do it. But 8 fitness for the year so far. Like where we are going? I mean, I don't understand what kind of soup we're boil, what kind of building we're hurts. This really not acceptable. It never was. So there's nothing to say. We have been saying a lot. And we're beyond words now. We need to move from words to action. This can't keep going on.
44 men and women were killed since the start of the year in the sector. We believe what happened to young Rowe is the straw that breaks the camel back. And we are making the first step to call on Jamaica to take a stand against violence against our children and our people. Enough is enough.
So, may I say to all Jamaicans, when a 8-year-old can be brutally murdered like that, and we say we're out at Emancipation Park protest peacefully, why over 100,000 people out there? Why? Why not do Jamaica? Why not deal it? Let's have a Krispy Kreme donut and give it free. We know out there. We don't have a problem. You go to my own pocket and buy the donut. If we need to have more people out there support that young girl there. You understand? And we not stop until we find the killer. You may have said to your mama, get yourself in. Because we have the sketch. Them said, alleged, it's you. We say for you, get yourself in. Because me honestly believe in a jungle justice. You understand? You don't have no formal reason for murder an 8-year-old child. Me no care where you and the parents have, where you and the body have. You and the baby not have nothing at all. So get yourself in before we actually find you.